Real estate is a land, permanent structure, and the land you have as an owner. All three make it real estate.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Megapam Wealthy. My name is Pierre Friedrich Fleurisson. Today we're going to talk about types of property ownership and estates in real estate. In real estate, the question is not only do you own the property, the real question is how many rights do you have and for how long? What does estate mean? In real estate, the word estate does not only mean a big luxury house, it means the type of interest or level of rights a person has in a property. In simple terms, an estate shows how many rights you have and how long you have them. Simple example. If you buy a house for life, you can leave it to your children. This is different from someone who only rents an apartment for 1 year. Both people live in property, but they do not have the same estate. The first major category is freehold estate. This means you own the property for an unlimited period of time. You own the land, the house, and the right that come with it. In the first category, we have the fee simple absolute. This is the most complete form of ownership in real estate. When you have this, you can sell it, you can rent it, you can give it away or leave it to your heirs. No one has more right to the property than you. Example, you buy a house in Brooklyn, the house become fully yours. You can live in it, rent it, sell it, or leave it to your children. This is called fee simple absolute. We have another type of freehold estate called life estate. This means a person has the right to use the property only during their lifetime. When the person dies, the property passes to someone else. Example, a grandmother says, I want my child to live in the house for the rest of their life. After the child dies, the house passes to the grandchildren. This is called life estate. Let's talk about another category. Is the second major category, leasehold estate. Leasehold estate means a person has the right to use a property for a limited period of time. This does not mean they own the property. The best example is renting an apartment. In this category, we have estate for years. This is a lease agreement that has a starting date and an ending date. Example, you rent an apartment from January 1st to December 31st. When the date ends, the lease ends automatically. This is called estate for years. There's another one called periodic tenancy. This type of lease continues automatically until the landlord or the tenant decides to end it. Example, a month to month lease. Every month, it renews automatically. This is called periodic tenancy. There's another one called estate at will. This means there is no fixed ending date. The landlord or the tenant can end it at any time. Example, a friend lets you stay in the house without a contract. Anytime they can ask you to leave or you can leave. This is called estate at will. Now let's talk about co-ownership. When multiple people own the same property. And then in this category, we have tenancy in common. In this type, each person owns their own share. They can sell their share or leave it as inheritance. Example, two friends buy a duplex together. If one person dies, their share can go to their family. This is called tenancy in common. There's another one called joint tenancy. In joint tenancy, every owner has equal interest, but there's a special feature, right of survivorship. This means when one owner dies, their share passes automatically to the other owners. Example, three friends buy a house together. One person dies, the other two automatically own that person's share. This is called joint tenancy. There's another one called tenancy by the entirety. This is a special type of ownership only for married couples. Both spouses have equal rights, and one spouse cannot sell the property without the other spouse. Example, a married couple buys a house together. The husband cannot sell the house by himself. The wife must also agree. This is called tenancy by the entirety. Now, let's see what we remember. What is the difference between freehold estate and leasehold estate? What happens in a joint tenancy when one owner dies? Write your answers in the comments. Remember this: an estate shows the type of rights and the duration of ownership. Freehold estates are more permanent. Leasehold estates are temporary. Co-ownership shows how multiple people share the same property. In the next chapter, we will learn how property is transferred from one person to another through deeds and title transfer. Thank you for watching Magapa. And again, my name is Pierre Ridley Fleurisset. See you in the next chapter. Thank you for watching Magapa. Bye.